Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a simple and healthy recipe of a cake made without using any added sugar and refined flour. And yes, it's a dates cake. I will be using half a cup of dates or about 100 grams. These are the fud dates which are smaller in size. Deseed the dates. After deseeding, they weigh about 95 grams. Soak the dates in hot water for about 30 minutes. Now crack an egg at room temperature. Beat it until it's light and fluffy. Grind the dates along with the water to a fine paste. Now add the paste to the egg mixture. Add half teaspoon of French vanilla essence. You can also use the regular vanilla essence. Mix it well. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I've used sunflower oil here. Mix this all together. Now time to add the flour. I'm using whole wheat flour. I've taken half cup. Add the whole wheat flour in parts. Mix it gently. You can also use a spatula to mix it. Make sure you do not mix it too much. Add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Do not skip this. This milk powder will give richness to your cake. Half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now mix it gently to remove lumps, and your batter is ready. Just add 1/4 teaspoon of vinegar for the extra softness. You can also add some choco chips. Now pour this batter into a lined cake tin. Meanwhile, heat a thick bottom vessel with a stand inside it and cover it with the lid. Tap the tin to remove the air bubbles. Now dust some walnut pieces with the whole wheat flour and just put it on the top of the cake batter. Preheat the vessel for about 5 minutes before you transfer the cake tin to it. Now cover it and let it bake for about 40 to 45 minutes on a low flame. After 40 minutes, just break a skewer or a knife and check. If the knife comes out clean, your cake is done. Cool the cake completely before you demold it. The cake turns very soft and moist. Cut it into desired shape. And your dates cake is ready to serve, made with all the natural sugar and whole wheat flour. Do try this recipe and send me your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.